All right, guys, this is a video on Bitcoin, the market, what's going on, what our plan was, what has taken place this week. Remember, the crypto market is about possibilities and probabilities. Sometimes we watch too many videos, too many predictions of 47K, 45K, 50K, 70K, 65K. Whenever there's a pump or a dip, we get overworked. Look at this. This is a bearish engulfing candle and it's eating up this 3 red. So we can still have a bullish move up. That being said, anything is possible. So we got to take things one step at a time. So let's look at what happened. We wanted to get a candle close above 56,464. So I'm going to show you on this chart really quick. So we had these zones that we had to focus on. And let me go to the weekly candle. So our goal was to hold this line, which is the orange one, 56,484. And if we lost that, our next goal was to hold 54K. We did that. By doing so, for now, we have avoided having to go back to 47K. Our second goal was to get a weekly close above this orange line, which we did. We thought, at least I thought it was possible that we could get a candle opening for the weekly about up here, which would then signal a move up towards higher 68 to 70K, which did not get confirmed. So maybe we can get it this week. Another thing I had discussed was the RSI. As you can see, the RSI was coming this way, but it turned. Our goal is for the RSI to break from the signal line going up, which would then confirm a move towards 70K, which we have not got yet. Hopefully, maybe end of this week is possible. But after the FOMC meeting, anything can happen. So let's get into the charts. If you look at the 1-day candles, you can see we had this massive pump. We had a massive dump. It pretty much wiped itself out. Nothing has changed. We can still try to make a move up, maybe tomorrow. Now, let's turn on Lux and let's look at a few things. So we're going to look at the oscillator. If you look at the 30-minute chart, we have a reversal signal. We have an oversold signal. We're moving up. We just need the money flow to start turning a little bit. That will show that a reversal is in place for a shorter time frame. Let's look at the 45-minute. Same thing. We got a reversal triangle. We got oversold. We just need the money flow to turn. Right now, the money flow is going down. You're going to see on the 1-hour chart, same thing. We have a reversal signal. We have an oversold signal. The money flow is starting to turn already. We just needed to keep moving up. So on the shorter time frame, there's a bounce coming. We're looking for similar things on the 2-hour, 3-hour, 4-hour charts. Now on the 1-hour chart, let's see, 45, 30. I wanted to show you guys something. Let's look at the 10-minute chart. Right now, you have a dot right here. This dot means a resistance is somewhere up here. So let's draw a line and see what the chart is showing. All right, so this is the candle. You can see we have the smart cloud right here. So it's just letting you know that there's a resistance up top. We just got a buy signal. So we're going to get a move up, which is good for us because we don't want to go down to 58K right now. So a reversal is in place. And then I want to show you guys something on the 4-hour chart. Now on the 4-hour chart, we did get a sell signal. It is saying we could go to $56,149. But you have to remember something, guys. If you look right here, when we got this buy signal, and I'm going to do a replay to show you. Now, once the buy signal pops, we do have a take profit target, which it just popped. Take profit target was $59,625. Now I'm gonna hit play so you can see. Once we hit that target, then we get a new target, and that target does not get hit after the first target get hits. So I just wanted to let you guys know that yes, you can get targets, but the targets don't always have to hit, because if the shorter time frame pumps, then those targets will change and longer time frame will get buy signals. So here we hit the first target. We're about to now hit the second target because it was a bullish pump, and then we're gonna get a new target. So let me move this down so you can see the target is about to come. Let me try that replay again. All right, let's hit play. Let's move this. I'm going to try to pause it on time. My little one is calling me, so I got to wrap up this video. But while this candle is coming, I just want to say, don't get too caught up in what's going on. Let's try to take it one trend line at a time, one support and resistance zone at a time. Sometimes we get too caught up in dumps and pumps and we think the world is ending. I can hear my little one still screaming for me. So I'm going to try to pause this as soon as the second. Yeah, it's for some reason it's not showing me, but just take it easy. You guys have a good Sunday, even though it's over. Hopefully this video is helpful, and let's just take one zone at a time. Right now, we just have to hold 56,600. That way we don't go to the lower zone, and we want to try to break above 59,600 so we can enter the next zone, the same zone we got rejected and came down. And if you look at it, we got a double top, which then brought us back to the downside, which is reversal. So now we need to work on holding this zone. Happy Sunday and peace.